Welcome to the instructional video for the HRK01 Invision Headlight Restoration Kit. In this video, we will show you step by step how to restore your damaged headlight lenses back to near new condition. Step 1. The only item required for the first step is a roll of masking or electrical insulation tape. Tape off the paintwork around each headlight, making sure it is completely covered. If possible, use a reputable brand of tape as it will hold up better during the restoration process. Step 2. The items required for this step are the yellow X cleaning sachets and a water bottle or hose. Using one sachet per headlight lens, scrub the pre-soaked sachet pad over the lens vigorously, making sure the liquid covers right to the edges. Wait 10 to 20 seconds and rinse the lenses and surrounding surfaces with water. For headlight lenses in extremely poor condition, leave the yellow X cleaner on for 20 to 30 seconds before rinsing. Step 3. The items required for this step are all grades of supplied sandpaper, the drying cloth, and your water bottle or hose. Examine the headlight lenses to determine the severity of the damage. Severely damaged headlights will potentially have pits, rough areas, or blotchy discolorations. This type of damage will require beginning with the 400 grade sandpaper to remove the coarse corrosion. You can then progress through the remaining grades of sandpaper, always finishing with the 3000 grade. In terms of the actual sanding process, water should be applied continually in the area being sanded. Work through the 4 grades of sandpaper until all corrosion is removed. After the final 3000 grade is used, the desired finish of the lens should be a consistent, smooth texture across the entire lens. Dry the lens using the white cloth and examine for any remaining corrosion. If corrosion is still evident, apply more water and continue sanding until you're satisfied that the lens is smooth and free of damage. An important point to note is that after the sanding process, you will not be able to see through the lens clearly. This is perfectly normal as we head into the final step of the process. You're now ready to remove the masking tape and wash off the remaining sanding residue with water. Dry the lens thoroughly using the drying cloth before proceeding to the next step. Step 4. The items required for this step are the UV clear coat sachets and protective glove. Put on the supplied protective glove or any powder-free latex glove to prevent the liquid from making contact with your skin. Using one sachet per headlight, wipe the clear coat applicator over the entire lens in even strokes, making sure to cover the entire lens. All of the liquid from the sachets should be used for the best coverage and protection possible. Be sure to coat the lens quickly and avoid excessive wiping. Don't worry if you can see liquid streaks from wiping, as they will self-level as the coating dries. Allow at least 1 to 2 hours drying time before moving the vehicle, depending on climate conditions. Full curing of the coating can take up to 24 hours, so it's best to let the lens dry overnight to avoid any coating damage. A heat gun or blow dryer can be used to accelerate the drying process. Hold the heat gun at least 30 centimeters from the vehicle and wave across the lens for 60 seconds. Although this will not completely dry the UV clear coat, it will accelerate the curing process. An important note is to not expose the headlight to water until the clear coat is completely dry, as this may compromise the final result. The Invision Headlight Restoration Kits have been bringing new life to headlight lenses for over a decade, with fantastic results. We hope that this video has also helped you to improve the look and performance of your vehicle's headlights.